What's up, you BEA beautiful people out there? Hope you all are doing amazingly great. This is your Bong Baker and today we are going to make pasta from scratch. That's right guys, tomra thik shunecho. We are going to make pasta from all the ingredients that we have at our arm's reach. It's an amazingly easy recipe but an effective one. So without wasting any more time guys, let's get started. So, shobar prothome we have to make the dough of the pasta. If we do not make the dough, how can we even shape the pasta? For this we need around 500 grams of refined flour. Our air mode will just create a well and add 3 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. Remember guys, do not add any excess moisture. Karon jodi dough slimy hoye jay, jodi dough sticky hoye jay, you will not be able to control it while cooking the pasta. So pasta dough is always hard and stiff. Now after all, you'll have to use your hands guys, because if you do not feel the dough, then how can you even make the dough? So knead it guys, knead it really well. The next step is adding a tad bit of oil. You can use olive oil. Here I'm using normal vegetable oil. Doesn't really matter, but yes, oil, you have to add oil. Now at this point of time guys, your hands will be hurting and you will be cursing me, but trust me guys, if your hands are hurting, then you are going in the right path. To know if the dough is ready or not, you will just have to poke the dough. Now if it springs back, it means it's ready. Now I have done thrice to show y'all can do it once. Wrap the dough with a cling film or a plastic wrap and keep it in the refrigerator for at least half an hour to 40 minutes. Cleaning is very important guys, and do sanitize your workstation. Now we will be moving on to the shaping and the rolling of the pasta. Now a step is very crucial because tomader kache pasta roller nei. You do not have the pasta roller. You have to roll it with your hands. Now for that you need to have a rolling pin and patience and some strength in your arms. You need to roll it to a thickness where you can almost see the hands or the fingers when you put it behind the dough. আমি তোমাদের দেখিয়ে দেবো as soon as I'm finished rolling this part of the dough. Now you have to roll it to this thickness. তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ, I can already feel the impressions, I can already see the impressions from the back side of the dough. So now let's shape the pasta. Now in this recipe ami tomader shudhu dekhiyechi fettuccine. Now if y'all want to make other sizes of pasta, then I will be putting it in my next videos. So please comment karo ekhoni in the comment section. Do y'all want to see more kinds of fresh pasta? Then I'll definitely upload a video of it. Now as y'all can see, I'm just rolling the dough and cutting it into strips and then just separating it. Jai tomra separate korbe, the pastas will also be separated. And remember guys, to always dust some amount of flour so that it does not stick to each other. Next is the boiling of the pasta. So in a saucepan, add water and add a good amount of salt. Now let me tell you guys, as soon as the water comes to boil, drop in your pasta. A pasta hote beshi time lage na since it is a fresh pasta. So max it will take 4 to 5 minutes. As soon as the pasta comes on the surface of the water, it means that it has been cooked, and you need to take it out right at that point. Let's make the sauce. Now here the pasta which I am making is called aglio olio, where aglio stands for garlic and olio stands for oil. It's the most simple kind of pasta that you all can make, but very tasty. So here in a oil I've just added some chopped garlic and some dried red chilies for a bit of color and kick. That's it guys. এরপরে শুধু তোমাদের জল থেকে পাস্তাটা তুলতে হবে, and just you have to plunge it in and hear the sound of the sizzle. So a quick tip guys, whenever y'all are making pasta like this, I would request y'all to kindly add a bit of pasta water to it. কারণ pasta water এ থাকে starch, থাকে salt, so that you don't have to season it. আর যেহেতু starch থাকে, it would act as an emulsifier and তোমাদের কোনো সসের চিন্তা করতে হবে না। That was it guys, it was that simple to make this pasta. Plate koro, I am plating it in a pasta dish. You can plate it in any kind of dish you wish for, and just savor the wonderful taste of fresh homemade pasta. How did you all like the recipe guys? Do let me know in the comment section. And yes, now is the most important part, that is tasting. I actually love this part. Everyone does, but so let's taste it. I mean, প্রথমে বলে দিচ্ছি, there's nothing like fresh homemade pasta. So the texture, I'm already salivating now. So the texture and the way I've cut it is a bit rustic, but এটাই তুমি চাও, and trust me guys, যদি তুমি এটাকে ট্রাই না করো বাড়িতে, you won't understand the true essence of it. So without any further ado, let me taste it first. So you just have to make it at home guys. The flavor of garlic and the kick from the dried red chili, it's amazing. This is the simplest form of pasta that you can make. Kichune shudhu oil ache, that you can use olive oil, red chili pepper ache, dried one, and of course garlic ache. This dish, as I told earlier, is known as aglio olio, where aglio means garlic and olio means oil. That's it, but the taste is amazing guys. So if you like the video so far, then please guys, please drop in a like, and jodi tomader kichu comment kora thake, do put in a comment, and yes, please subscribe to my channel, because tomra subscribe na korle I will not get motivation, and that is the only source of motivation jeta dara ami tomader kache notun and even purono but in a different way recipes তুলে ধরতে পারবো. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you get notified. তোমাদের আরেকটু এটা দেখিয়ে দিয়ে I'll just go, because I want y'all to make this at home and DM me on Insta. How did y'all like it? My Insta and Facebook ID is there. You can see it below. So make it guys, make it at home, and do let me know. Until the next time, see you again guys. Have a great day ahead. Cheers.